Hello friends, hope you all will be fine. This side Mohit Vadera from PRB Automobiles, Jalandhar, Punjab. Today we are going to dispatch the Mercedes S-Class 221, the fifth generation of the Mercedes S-Class. That engine code is 221. We are going to convert this vehicle to the S-Class 223 model. That is the seventh generation of the S-Class. So starting with the kit, this is the front hood. This is an aluminum one. This is as per the OEM standards. This is the aluminum hood. Rear bumper, front bumper, both LED headlamps. This is again a massive headlamp with the three projectors, LED strips, LED welcome lights with it. The rear tailgate and the all four LED tail lamps with it. The rear exhaust steps, the rear tailgate cloth, rear glass, as this kit is wider than the normal one. This kit is bit different from the regular kit that we are buying from the market, as this kit is the 1:1 kit. So this kit is different. How this is different, let me tell you. This kit comes along with all four door skins. You can see the door skins here. All the four door panels, along with the rear fenders. We call them quarter panel also. The both rear quarter panels, this one and this one. All the four electronic door handles. This is a bit different from the market. These are the electronic door handles, and these are the Benz general door handles. These are the pop-up handles that are coming in 2025 model. You can see the all door handles. Okay. This is the Maybach one kit. It's not the normal one. This is the Mercedes S-Class Maybach kit. So you can see the front grille, the lower grille, both fog lamp bezels, though both fog lamp bezels outer rings, the bumper fittings over there, both side glasses. There are also some chrome parts in this kit. We are unable to show you all the products that are coming in this kit because it's a very massive big kit. So the small parts that are coming in this kit we haven't showed you. So one more thing, this kit comes along with both running boards, the hood cloth also. There is the hood cloth also in this kit. You can see the both fender linings. You can see the fender linings over there. Both fender linings and the fitting parts are also there. The both side glasses are there. These side glasses are fully glossy black. You need not to paint them again. Okay. So for any body kit, if you want any body kit for any car, for Mercedes-Benz GLS 167 normal to Maybach version, for Mercedes ML 166 to Mercedes GLE 167 version, for Mercedes GL 166, either 166 either 164 to Mercedes GLS 167 version, for Mercedes GLE 167 2022-23 model to upgraded to 2025 model GLE in the AMG version, for Mercedes E-Class 213 to 214, 212 to 213, V-Wagon, for the C-Class AMG 1 205 to 205 AMG 205 to 206, and E-Class AMG model. For BMW 7 Series F02 to G12 model, for BMW X5 old model to X5 new model, for BMW F10, G30, BMW 3 Series, Range Rover Sport, Range Rover Vogue, old Range Rover to new Range Rover Vogue, new Range Rover 2018 model Range Rover Vogue to the latest 2025 Range Rover Vogue. If you want Toyota Fortuner body kits, Legender body kits, the Fortuner Leader body kit, and many more. If you want to buy any of this body kit, you can contact us, PRB Automobiles, Jalandhar. We have the widest range of the body kits with the best prices available.